cheers, this is the light. I have Aria down at Port Stewart, the little pool area, and she is having a blast in the water. 17 degrees, the sun's trying to come out. Got my hat on. I want to protect my hair and my face as much as possible. Got my coffee. We've got a picnic. I'm happy as a pig in muck. Anyway, happy new week everyone. I hope you'll enjoy this week's vlog. Haven't a clue where we're taking you this week, but they'll always be out and about in Northern Ireland. Lots of styling from yours truly. Yes, if Carnix is your thing, fashion for every day, but that's stylish and chic. Midlife doesn't need to be boring, and I'm here to prove that. So come along for the week that is making midlife fabulous and styling yourself fabulous with untypical. You come out to the beach and then it starts raining. Little one has other ideas though. She's happy to have her coat on and sit with her feet in the water. Of course, being by the water makes you very hungry, so soon it was picnic time, which both of us enjoyed, and the sea views of course. While I'm watching Aria in the pool here, I'll just tell you I've been to the beautician today and had for the first time, which I haven't had in years, is a lash lift. And I'm not sure if you can see it or not. I will zoom in. Beware, be warned. Now she says that'll last me about 6 weeks. Now to be fair, it did cost me £60 to get my eyelashes dyed, my eyebrows dyed and the lash lift, because I was getting that done every 8 weeks. £30 a month, isn't it? Oh, this one's collecting rocks. Even with a raincoat on, she's still having fun. And we couldn't go home without having a McFlurry at McDonald's. Later that day, I decided to have some fun with the offcuts from the striped jacket makeover, if you saw that video. So I cut out the circles with my new pink and shears and had templates to do different sizes to make them more interesting. And looked at a few other bits of pieces of material that I had that I could possibly match with them. Got out some buttons and then I did a long stitch so I could pull in the fabric. This gives the ruffle effect. Thanks Angela D for that tip. For my first attempt at brooch making, I think I did okay, but I think they will improve as time goes on and I do more. Well, I was going to talk to you about my lash lift when I was on my heat pad, but I was rudely interrupted by my hubby. Well, not rudely, but you know what I mean. I would have lost my train of thought because that's what happens when other people are around me. So the lash lift will last apparently 7 or 8 weeks, but I have to look after them, which means no mascara. Can I go without no mascara? I don't know. Today I am, and so far so good. So I have to keep them dry for 48 hours. Now that I had to Google that. My technician, my beautician should have told me that. But it's very important to keep water away from them to keep the active ingredient, according to Gemini. What would I do without AI? I ask her everything. I could tell you a story about that in a little minute. So right, let's get down to it. But yes, the eyelashes I'm very pleased with. You'll have saw my recent neon video and I wore this outfit and I love it. Now the skirt was too long, but can you see I have altered the skirt and it is just perfect. I chopped about 4 inches off it and then hemmed it up. Just a little stitch hem. Crinkliness of the skirt just means that it is shortened really well and now it's not drooping on the floor because I hated having to roll it over at my waist and add the bulk to my waist, so now there's no more need for that. Just added on a little metallic belt today, excuse me, and little metallic beads. And the corsage that I made is getting its first outing today in this little jacket. It was quite quick to make. Pink and shears is a must, and I got them recently off Amazon along with safety pins. So if you've got a safety pin, pink and shears, some spare buttons, it literally is something you could probably make in about half an hour. And I'm going to have fun coming up with different ways to make these corsages. Love the striped jacket with this yellow pop of colour with this little naffly. So there we go. No sunshine, that's why it feels so dark today in here. I was going to tell you the other AI story. Yesterday Aria got me out some Kellogg's fruit winders and she said, "Oh Nana, you will love the fruit winders." And I said, "I'm not sure I would, I think they'd be a bit sweet. But these are very healthy snack, Nana. You know, these 5-year-olds, they know everything." And I said, "Well, you know what, Aria? I'm going to take a photograph of that packet and I'm going to ask Gemini what she says." We asked Gemini And of course, Gemini said no, that it was full of sugar, and while they might have natural fruits in it, because the time they used the processing to make it, it had a heaped teaspoonful of sugar, which was very bad for your teeth, blah, blah, blah. And on she went, and she read that all out to Aria, who listened and said, she's lying. 5-year-old. I was like, no, Aria, she's not lying. That is the truth. So I guess we have to find some healthier snacks, because, you know, the sugar just makes her hyper. But anyway, that was just that little story. I remember in previous vlogs I was talking about my missing items. One turned up, there was 2 more missing. I found the second one last night. You never would have thought where it was. I mean, what's the chances of finding it in my bedside cabinet? To be fair, that cabinet needs a bit of a clear out, that drawer. Is anyone else like me? You keep just stuffing stuff in there, stuffing stuff. I am guilty of that. It really just needs a lot of it throughout. It does. But I'm very happy to see that selfie stick. So that's my backup from now on. The next thing I want to talk to you about was dermablading. Yes, these cool little blades are a must-have. I've got one end for doing my chin hairs, and yes, the chin hairs seem to grow overnight. Anyone else? And they're stubborn little things. So I do that every few days. I actually use that. And also I've got little downy hairs here, and that sorts that. I find if you do it in a downward motion, you don't get any of that irritating stubble. Eyebrow one as well. So you've got like a smaller area to do this area in here. A little demo of how I do my eyebrows, then I always finish off with my Marilla facial oil. Get them everywhere. I have got them in TK Maxx. I've actually got them up at Junction 1 up at the beauty shop. I'm sure in any sort of chemist you can pick these up. Great little gadget, and they're a must-have. Plus, when you're on holidays, they double up as a little underarm shaver. Now, I will get rid of it after I use that for my underarm, because I don't want to put anything near my face that's been underarm or anywhere else. Keep them to your face in general, but they're a great little backup if you want to tidy up that area. Right, let's go outside. The sun's shining. Going into the garden, and I'll show you what I'm wearing to the office today. I wear a lot of outfits on repeat. And that's the way you should. You should love the things you have and keep wearing them. Well, this morning I want to break into song. Reminds me of back in the day. I went to Macrofeld Technical College as a business studies student. We would have put on pantomimes each year. I loved being in the chorus or whatever. And the one year I was Cinderella, and whenever I see A Beautiful Morning, all I can think of is the first song that I had to burst into stage singing, and it was, oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Everything's going my way. Okay, I should have warned you there was going to be singing, but you know, beautiful morning. We're happy to be alive, aren't we? Let's make this another fabulous day. Okay, the outfit. Shut up, Ruth. Back in the H&M pre-loved skirt. Whole outfit is pre-loved apart from my Neffily. Coral and coral with the black and white stripe. It's hard to beat, isn't it? But I do not think I will need this today. It's going to be 23 degrees. But isn't it a cool little outfit? The fact that the jacket is linen means it's light. Oh, isn't it beautiful? I hope you can hear me okay. We get a lot of traffic on this road here, but it's just the best time to be out in the garden. Tomorrow I'm going out with my little bestie, as usual. Haven't decided as where yet. I'm not even sure of her work schedule. That will determine if it's just lunch or if it's lunch and shopping. So, however that may look, I hope you'll stick around and find out. Another day, another dress. It has to be linen or cotton in the hot temperatures. Today we're getting 23. Definitely need to wear my linen today. Well, today I have on espadrilles. Actually, you can't see them. Let me change the camera. Espadrilles. And you know what? I normally love espadrilles and find myself reaching for them every summer. I've had these a couple of years. They were pre-loved monsoon via Vinted, of course. Wanted to show you a little hack today for how you can make your espadrilles fit you that little bit more comfier and that they stay But let's go indoors where it's less noisy. My dress today is white stuff. It's from about 3 years old now. I still love it and I love the colours. This is one of those dresses that the colours actually go with my hair, this colour or blonde. Let me show you the hack. If you're like me, you just start winding your espadrilles up around your ankles. So I'll show you the old way. This is the traditional way. But your foot's not overly secure and it moves around in the shoe, which means it's not overly comfortable. But you can make it more comfortable this way. You've got the back, just bring it forward enough to push your foot into. When it comes across the front of the ankle now, it holds your foot in place so that your foot is not lifting out of the espadrille and it's much more comfortable. Yeah, it's amazing the difference that that little hack makes to your foot staying more secure in your shoe. Couldn't walk miles in them, but certainly I can do a little bit of luncheon with my friend and we're just actually heading to Upperlands today. We're going local. I wonder what will be on the menu and hopefully the sun will come out later on and I'll get a chance to enjoy the sunshine out the back. Us girls are out for just lunch today because Lorraine unfortunately has to go back to work later on. Oh,
but sure.
But we make the best of it.
Yes.
We are just coming quite locally to Upperlands, which is only a few miles from me, so it's great. We love the food here and we'll get a little chin wag, won't we?
We sure will.
Over the
Because as you know, Ruth is going off tomorrow on her holidays.
Yes, I am. Show them what you've got on you today. Isn't that lovely? Lorraine really suits the green. Give them a twirl. That's lovely. Really like it. Looking really cool.
Fabulous.
Look at that beautiful face.
Would you stop that?
I just think you look amazing today.
You are beautiful.
Stop it. You She's just been told we're fabulous.
You see me all the time.
Is not a treat for the eyes, and I think it'll be a treat for my tummy as well. And Lorraine's on the Mediterranean quiche, which looks very, very nice. The dessert was lemon brulee tart. We absolutely enjoyed our lunch. It was so delicious. Highly recommend the Flax in Upperlands. It's time for some Ruthie reflections. So I'm really pleased about how well, after 7 weeks of using my magic body oil, my DIY version, that my skin is looking. I am really good at doing it every day. At the beginning, first couple of weeks, I used it twice a day, and then I thought I really feel my skin was hydrated and plumped, so once a day I found was enough. I just want to show you how my skin looks now on my tummy area. And also my knees, they are much improved. I think, ladies, we can't reverse the signs of aging, but what we can do is we can plump up our skin, hydrate it and make it look healthy. And that's how mine feels, and there's no more dry itchiness or blotchiness. My skin is much more smoother. I also love the smell of it, plus it repels most insects, not the midges, but most insects and bugs. This vlog I was actually not going to post until after my holidays, but I've been gathering up bits and pieces of what I've been doing this week and thought, you know what, Ruth, just put it up there. I've got my travel capsule packing vlog ready to go up, and it's going up on Sunday as usual, but this is a little extra one again, just because I've been out and about a little bit. Just want to show you what I'm wearing in the warmer weather, and my days out with Aria on Monday and then out with my little bestie Lorraine today. So we're enjoying the sunshine. I thought there's no point in keeping this vlog for again. There's always going to be shenanigans in Ruthie's world, so I just keep on posting them as and when and have no fixed time apart from always on Sundays. Now I am changing my Sunday schedule to 2:30. I feel that 6:30 isn't great. Look, I'll just be honest with you, if you don't get the views right away, well then YouTube hides my video. So I think I've maybe been putting it out at the wrong time. Don't know. And then by the time that my usual gals start watching it, it's already been up 3 or 4 hours and the momentum has slipped away for YouTube to show my video to everyone. I know I'm sharing this with you and you're probably thinking, what do we care? And exactly, I don't expect you to care, but I care because I'm very passionate about creating my vlogs and having my channel here and sharing all my fashion and style inspiration and beauty tips with you guys. It's just something I'm passionate about, and I'll keep on doing that. But obviously I'd love it to reach a bigger audience of older ladies. I think there could be more of you out there who want to join Ruthie's tribe, are we right? The packing video is coming up. You're going to see that on Sunday at 2:30, and after that it'll be the shenanigans in Tuscany and then in Norfolk, because we come home via Joe's and I'm going to spend some days with her as well. So there'll be lots going on, lots to see, and I hope you will join me again. Thank you for watching in the meantime, and you guys keep on being your own kind of fabulous, however that looks. Take care and God bless.